Artist, how are you? Myself Aman, and today I have standing front of Maharishi Valmiki International Airport, which is located in Ayodhya, which is situated in Ayodhya. So today I have come here to tell you something good knowledge. I have come here to give you some important knowledge, the knowledge about the discipline. Previous video I have discussed so many topic. To making this video I have only one motive, and that is I am improving my English. I am building my English from here to make good, to become good fluent person of English. We, as I often say, we are living that type of area where most of the people are speaking their native language, so it becomes very difficult task for all of us to learn some new language. So if you want to learn some new language, you will have to indulge with that language, then you can learn that language. That's why I have come here and I am making this video to improve my English. And today I am going to talk about the power of discipline. Of course, discipline, and the title of this topic, discipline is everything. Discipline is everything. And today I am going to talk about in this topic. When I am going to something talk about on this topic, of course most of the people have aware about this power, discipline. Because when you will go to ask any successful person upon this earth that what is the uh, what is the reason of their success, what things made him success, what is the man power behind his success, they will tell you only one thing. That is, they will tell you so many things, but you will find one thing that is common between them. That is discipline. Your discipline will change your life. If you have good discipline, if you are punctual person, if you have good work at good times, of course you can get whatever you want to get in your life. So I would like to tell you that in this video, that you should aware about the power of discipline. When you will be aware about the power of discipline, then you will become very strict person. And that when you will become a very strict person, after that day you will win so many things upon this earth. You will win so many emotion which is happening in your mind. Because you will have to tell to yourself that when we will have to accomplish this work, when we will have to do this work, and do that work at that time. If you are not doing that work at that time, then you should ask to yourself, why am I not able to do, why am I not able to accomplish that thing at the right time. If anything is and try to find out that thing, what is the main reason that's why you are not finding that thing at the right time. And then write that thing in a copy in your notebook and try to find out the solution of that problem. Because until you will not write the problem of your life in your copy, you cannot grow more, you cannot accomplish more things, and you cannot change your life. And try to learn more by your experience. Of course, experience will give you a lot of knowledge about the future. Experience will give you a lot of things about the future, and they will tell you so many things. And the thing is that they will build your power. They will suggest you how will you have to do more thing in a short time. So will you should learn by his experience. So because experience will tell you so many things. Because when you would have a, I mean, when you started some things and you didn't get result, so you should try to find out what did wrong I make, what did wrong I make, and try to fill that type of gap which you made. And to try to fill that type of gap which you made, and try to run towards your goal, and never give up. When you will give up, you can nothing get. I often say, when you will give up, when you will give up, you will nothing get. But if you will not give up, you will something get. Focus on my point. What I am trying to say. I am saying that when you will give up, you cannot get anything. But when you will not give up, you can get something. So never give up in your life and try to fulfill that type of mistake which you are doing that by day, and that's why you are not accomplishing your goal. And when you will be feel that type of mistake, that type of gap in your life, you will be accomplish so many things in your life. Because life is same for everyone. Don't say to yourself that I am, my background is very lower, my background is very wrong, I mean my background is very poor, that's why I cannot accomplish that thing. It does not matter what is your background. The matter thing, what is you, what is you. Focus on my point, what I am trying to say. I am saying it does not matter that what is your background. The matter thing is what is you. If you are a able person, if you are hard worker person, if you are a person who can do everything at a time, if you are a person like that who has good discipline, if you are a person like that who is doing his work at the right time, if you are like a person that that who is serving for the other, of course you will be accomplish so many things in your life. And don't tell to yourself that I am coming from that type of background, I will never achieve that type of things. Because I can give you a number of example where people are where people came from the different type of the poor background, after that they did hard work, and after that they got success. So success, that no success will not ask you, success will never ask you that what are you, what is your background, from where are you coming, and what is your bank accounts. They will only ask you what is your determination, what is your preservation, what is your hard work. They will only ask, success will only ask you those type of things. They will not success will not ask you most of the type of negative thing. Because life is same for everyone. Some person has more resources, some person has not more resources. So that and I can give you n number of example where people had more resources, even that they didn't get success. And I can give you n number of examples where people had less resources, yeah, even that they still they got success. So resources does not matter in your journey, your success. The matter thing is you. What is you? Yes, I can give you a number of example. So many person are saying that, sorry, if I have to start a business, then I need some money. I need 2 crore. I need 5 crore. I need 10 crore rupees. If I would have 10 crore money, then I can start any kind of business. I would like to tell you, I can give you n number of the example where people had people invested, where people invested so many millions money, so many millions money, billions money, still they failed. So what things will require in your success? The most important thing that will require in your success is not your money, is your passion towards your goal, is your passion towards your goal, is your passionate. Rehearse every time to get your success, then you can get. So I would only like to tell you that make a list, what you have to do within 1 month, make a list what will you will have to accomplish within 1 year, and write that thing in your notebook. If you would change your bank balance would change. If you would change your I can say that your knowledge would change. If you would change, your surrounding would change. If you would change, your personal relation would change. If you would change, your life would change. So the all the things come to one point, and that is changing of you. So I would like to tell you that try to make good discipline in your life. Because as the title of my the title of my video is only discipline is everything. So when when you will not do your work at the right time, when you will procrastinate, so many people do procrastination. They say that I will accomplish this task another day, I will accomplish this task tomorrow. Because I would like to tell you, tomorrow will never come. Try to do whatever you want to do today. They never procrastinate any type of thing that I will do that thing in the next day, because we don't know what will happen next day. We have no idea about the what will happen next day. You know about today very well, so try to accomplish that thing today. Not procrastinate that thing and for the another day. When you will do like this, when you will do like this, then you will become very lazy person, and be a person who cannot get anything in his life. So don't need to become that type of person. Become that type of the person who can do his work at the right time, with a punctual time. When you can do it like this, you and never say to in your life that I am not fortunate person, I am not lucky person, that I am not getting this thing. Because we are, no one is a fortunate person, no one is a lucky person. You will have to design your destiny. You will have to become the fortunate person. You will have to become the lucky person. And how we will become the lucky person, how we will become the fortunate person? By your hard work, by your passion, by your determination, by your preservation. Because when, if you want to become successful every aspect of life, and if you want to grow in spirituality, in morality and humanity and financially and mentality, so you should make a uh, very strict discipline in your life. Then you can get rid from that type of the problem. Then you can then get rid you can get rid from that type of the difficulties which you are facing in your life. So try to create good ambience in your surrounding, and try to create good ambience in your surrounding, and never told to yourself that I am nostalgic person, I am nostalgic person, and no one is giving no one is helping to me. Because the man who can help you is you, and the man who will make the good discipline is you. So why you are telling to every time that I am nostalgic person? Why are you grievance every time to for the life? If you grievance every time for the life, you cannot get anything. So don't don't try to twist. Don't try to twist the goal of your life. If you want to achieve the goal of your life, you should make a plan, you should make a routine, you should make a way, and you should follow that way, and you should run on that way. Then you can accomplish that thing. Without all of these things, you cannot accomplish that thing. So many person come to me and they say, I try to read 8 hours every day, but I cannot read. I would like to tell you that in one day you cannot do anything. If you are saying today I start to read 8 hours, today I will start to read 15 hours, and from the today I will be read 20 hours. From the today I will be read 16 hours. That thing will never happen, because no man can become perfect within one day. If you want to become perfect within if anyone can become perfect within one day, then everyone would have become very knowledgeable person, very intelligent person within one day. It takes time, it takes much time, and we don't know when will happen. But if you are awareness people, if you are active people, if you if you thought that if you have thought that I will not stop until I accomplish my goal, until I will accomplish my goal, I will not stop, then nobody can stop you. I don't know when it will when the fight when the war of your life will end, but I can tell you that if you will be not if you will not tell to yourself that I am loser, nobody can make you loser. Focus on my point. If you will not tell to yourself that I am loser, no man can make you loser, because everything starts from you. You're winning, you're losing, your courage, your determination, everything in your life, whatever you want to achieve in your life, whatever desire you want to accomplish in your life, what's your wishes, everything starts from you. So if you will tell to yourself that I am a loser, at that time you will be become loser. But if you will tell to yourself, I am not a loser, I will do that. If I am not getting this thing within one day, I will do hard work again. And after one day, after 2 day, I will be accomplish that thing. And the day when you will be accomplish that thing, I would like to tell you, you will feel very happy, because you played very big game. You played very vital game. You played very hard work game. Because I would like to tell you that if life will not oppose you, if life will not oppose you, if life will not create a different type of resistance in your way, in your path, then you cannot take too much enjoy of your life. Your life will be go to become a robot. If you want to come out from that type of the things, if you want to live a human's life, problem, difficulties, and struggles need in your life. And life is full of mountains, and nobody will tell you that life is going to be happy, life is going to be very happy, life is bed of rose. Life is not bed of rose. So many problem you will have to face in your life. So if you are going to make a good discipline, if you are going to make a good list to accomplish anything in your life, I would like to tell you, if you are not able to do that thing within one day, within 2 days, within short time, then never try to take any type of burden in your shoulder and in your head, because nobody can get the result within one day. I can give you a number of the example where people become successful after the 30 years, after the 40 years. But what is the when you will go to find out behind the reason of its success, then you will find one thing: they never gave up until he didn't get success. I am not saying you will have to become animal, that type of the animal who is doing only what who is doing only. You will have also see the all the other happy of your life. I would only like to tell you that never give up. That never tell to yourself that I cannot do this thing. Because when you will tell to yourself that I cannot do that thing, then you will be go to become a loser. You will be go to lose everything in your life. Because there are so many things available in this life. If you want to accomplish something, you will have to become a like that person. You will have to create a good potential in yourself, then you can accomplish that type of thing. So try to make good routine, try to become very punctual person. And if you are doing your work at the right time, then, and if you are serious about your life, of course, then I can say you have good discipline and make good discipline. I will see you in the next video. I would like to tell you, I am making this video only one purpose, that is learning to English. So if you find any type of mistake through the speaking, pronunciation mistake, grammatical mistake, try to avoid that type of mistake in your and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.